sun shining.
Sun shining. This is great. This is better than being at home, ain't it? This is so much better. Is that the trailer? Did you see it?
And it's time to start the work. We're going to go with the logical approach and work our way from the front of the car backwards. We've got to strip off all the parts on this front frame, and then we can get a true understanding of how badly damaged it actually is. We're removing all of these parts, some of which we won't actually need. Like this module here is to open garage doors, which is quite common on American cars.